CATIA Composer is technical communication software that lets you visually communicate product information using your existing 3D product design data. This helps speed time to market, maximize comprehension, and provide detailed product images and animations to solidify your competitive advantage. Easy to learn and use, CATIA Composer helps design engineers, manufacturing engineers, technical illustrators, aftermarket service providers, and product marketers to produce a wide variety of high-quality 2D and 3D product deliverables. Even users with no 3D experience are able to rapidly produce and flexibly deliver stunning product communications, bringing enhanced efficiency and quality across the enterprise. CATIA Composer provides users with an intuitive authoring environment that helps improve workflows and quality. And with the ability to update content automatically, you can communicate your ideas more effectively, ensuring your stakeholders, partners, and customers all clearly understand product information. Let's take a look at the types of product communications you can create with CATIA Composer. CATIA Composer works with your native 3D design data. Accessing CAD models is as easy as File Open. The entire assembly hierarchy is preserved, including CATIA PMI and metadata. Create clear and understandable technical illustrations, including bill of material tables, exploded views, callouts, and annotations with just a few clicks, helping more efficiently produce high-quality vector graphics for your technical documentation. Produce stunning product images for use in design review, as well as partner and customer communications using CATIA Composer's dedicated workshop for producing high-resolution raster graphics. It's a snap to create appealing animations directly from your product views. You can also adjust keyframes, lighting, and cameras, enabling you the creative freedom to develop highly successful product communications. Using the free CATIA Composer player, your interactive product experiences can be exported directly into PDFs or Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. For online distribution, CATIA Composer's experiences can be saved as executable files or even exported into customizable HTML web templates. Remember that this isn't just simple playback. CATIA Composer provides dynamic, interactive product experiences. Create interactive bill of materials, hyperlink components, create dynamic geometry elements, and more, all from a single content authoring platform. Easily maintain association between your product communications and your 3D design data. This means that when your designs change, you can update your communications automatically, ensuring your product deliverables always represent the most recent designs. The gains of using CATIA Composer are immediate. As your workflows become more efficient, costs go down. As your product communications improve, revenues will begin to grow. Download your free trial version of CATIA Composer today and get started turning your flat documentation into engaging 3D communications.